So tell me about your latest interaction with a student so far.
Okay, so I want to share a latest interaction with a student named Joshua. He is a very good student of mine, and he was struggling with knowledge level, like entire knowledge level. He was struggling to clear the papers. So I got on a call with him, understood, made him understand how to go through the papers, the chapter-wise test, and everything. And after that, he was able to clear all the four papers. Like previously, his marks was around 30s, and after regular follow up and proper guidance, he made 94%.
Wow.
In BT, then FA 82 and MA 80. Then in law, he was around 64.
Okay.
He was able to clear all the knowledgeable papers, and now, touch what, he is in skill level and he's going to give his FR paper in December itself.
Wow.
So, waiting for his FR results now.
Okay. Tell me, so this is obviously amazing, but I really wanted to know what do you think that he was lacking, and how did Zell Education step in to give him that kind of mentorship or guidance that he needed? What do you think about that?
Yes, so here I would like to tell all the students, not only him, I would like to tell all the students that the students don't practice. So our LMS is so advanced and made in that way that you guys have all the tests. So I would like to tell them all that please use those test chapter wise tests which is there in the LMS. Student don't do that, and that is where the student lack. So once they practice over there and the mocks of Zell plus the study hub, they are pit pat to go for the exam.
And how does it feel when one of your students who was really struggling to clear a paper suddenly starts doing so well? What do you feel then as someone who is, in the customer experience team?
It is really amazing, really. Like you can make out 35% and then directly 94 is amazing. And completely his hard work also with our guidance and with our like follow-ups and everything. So I am really impressed with his studying thing, what he's doing, and I'm looking forward for his skill level marks now.
So that's the story of Joshua. And not just him, there are so many other students out there who are coming to us with a lot of questions, lot of queries. But with our guidance, with our LMS portal, they are creating new success stories. If you want to know more such stories, then make sure to follow Zell Education and stay tuned for our upcoming posts.